Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome back to Consumer Picks, your ultimate destination for finding the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of Google TVs, ranking the top 4 Google TVs of 2025. Whether you're a movie buff, a binge watcher, or a gamer looking for your next upgrade, we've got you covered. Imagine watching your favorite shows and movies on a TV that brings stunning picture quality, vibrant colors, and seamless smart features, all while fitting perfectly into your Google ecosystem. Sounds amazing, right? Well, stick around, because we're counting down the absolute best options, from budget-friendly picks to cutting-edge OLEDs. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Picks and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our reviews, comparisons, and special discounts. And remember, links to every TV we mention are down in the description. Let's get started. This is one countdown you don't want to miss. Kicking things off at number 4 is the Hisense U6/U6N, a fantastic option for those of you who want the full Google TV experience without emptying your wallet. Despite its affordable price, this TV doesn't compromise on smart features. With the Google TV OS, you'll have access to a massive library of apps, built-in Chromecast, and voice control, making it a one-stop shop for all your streaming needs. Let's talk performance. While it's not the brightest TV on the market, the U6/U6N does well in moderately lit rooms. It features local dimming that enhances contrast, giving you those deep blacks that are perfect for nighttime viewing. However, you might notice some blooming, especially when bright objects appear against dark backgrounds. But that's expected in this price range. Its viewing angle is another limitation. If you're not sitting directly in front of the screen, you'll notice a drop in image quality, making it less ideal for group viewing. Still, the U6/U6N is a solid pick for solo watchers or anyone looking to upgrade to Google TV on a budget. If you're after value without sacrificing too much performance, this TV is worth considering. Coming in at number 3 is the Hisense U8/U8N, a mid-range marvel that offers a premium viewing experience at a price that's easier on the wallet. Just like its budget-friendly sibling, it runs the full Google TV OS, so you get access to an expansive app library, voice control, and built-in Chromecast. But this model takes things up a notch when it comes to performance. The U8/U8N is a champion of brightness, making it an excellent choice for rooms flooded with natural light. Whether it's a sunny living room or a nighttime movie session, this TV adapts beautifully. Its impressive contrast ensures deep blacks and vibrant highlights, though you might notice a bit of blooming around bright areas. One downside is its viewing angles. Like the U6/U6N, the U8/U8N performs best when you're sitting directly in front of it. But if you're in the sweet spot, the vibrant colors and sharp details are sure to impress. Overall, the Hisense U8/U8N strikes a great balance between affordability and performance, making it a fantastic option for those who want a premium experience without breaking the bank. Taking the runner-up spot on our list is the Sony Bravia 9 QLED, the ultimate choice if you're looking for an LED TV that excels in brightness and picture quality. This TV is perfect for rooms with lots of natural light, thanks to its impressive peak brightness that easily combats glare, even in the brightest conditions. What sets the Bravia 9 apart is its exceptional contrast. Sony's advanced processing delivers incredibly deep blacks, which are almost on par with OLED displays, while avoiding the blooming that often plagues other LED TVs. This makes it a fantastic all-around performer, whether you're watching a dark, atmospheric thriller or a vibrant action movie. And speaking of color, the Bravia 9 delivers a wide, vibrant range that brings HDR content to life with stunning realism. For gamers, this TV doesn't disappoint. With HDMI 2.1 on 2 ports, you can enjoy 4K gaming at 120 Hz with VRR enabled, perfect for modern consoles. Plus, Sony's top-notch image processing ensures that even low-resolution content looks polished and detailed. However, it does have some limitations. Its viewing angle isn't as wide as OLEDs, so it's best suited for situations where everyone is seated directly in front of the screen. The Sony Bravia 9 QLED is a powerhouse LED TV that's hard to beat. If you want the brightness and durability of LED technology without sacrificing too much on image quality, this TV is worth every penny. Finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Sony A95L OLED, a TV that's not just the best Google TV, but arguably one of the best TVs available in 2025. This TV is a masterpiece, combining the stunning picture quality of OLED with the color brilliance of quantum dot technology. The result? A visual experience that's nothing short of breathtaking. The A95L's QD-OLED panel delivers perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible highlights that pop off the screen, especially when watching HDR content. Whether you're enjoying a cinematic movie night in a dark room or watching a daytime sports match with the lights on, this TV excels in any environment. Its high peak brightness and superb reflection handling ensure you won't be distracted by glare. As a Google TV, the A95L delivers all the smart features you'd expect. It's fast, intuitive, and packed with apps. Plus, it includes built-in Chromecast, voice control, and Bluetooth support for headphones. Gamers will be thrilled with its two HDMI 2.1 ports, allowing for 4K gaming at 120 Hz with VRR. This TV also handles gaming like a champ, thanks to its near-instant response time and exceptional motion clarity. Of course, all this premium performance comes at a premium price. But if you're looking for the absolute best TV with Google TV functionality, the Sony A95L OLED is the clear winner. It's the ultimate blend of innovation, performance, and smart features, making it a worthy investment for any tech enthusiast. And that's a wrap on our countdown of the 4 best Google TVs of 2025. From the affordable Hisense U6 U6N to the show-stopping Sony A95L OLED, there's a perfect TV for every budget and lifestyle. So, which one will you be adding to your home? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to Consumer Picks for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and exclusive deals. Hit the notification bell so you're always the first to know when a new video drops. Ready to upgrade? All the product links are waiting for you in the description. Go check them out and start shopping today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.